Hey guys, it's Ray's Repair Zone. I'm back at you. Today I'm going to build a pin for my backhoe bucket. I got to build a couple of them, but I'm going to just show you here. I've got a Yangzhou. It's a Chinese lathe made in Jiangsu, China. Boy, I'm starting to sound like Chinese. Anyway, everybody's saying that you can't cut heavy chips with Chinese lathe. Well, here I'm gonna go cut 15 thou at a time here. I'm running at 755 RPM. Anyway, I'll show you here. I'm at 40 thousandths right now on my feed bed here. Cross slide. Anyway, I'm gonna start her up. And you can see I'm just touching it, right? And now I'm going to go in. I'm going to go in 15 thou. 15 thousandths. Watch it here. Guys, we're going to take off 25 thousandths on the time here. I kind of screwed up. I had to turn this guy around. Okay, now you see I scored. We go 25 thousandths. Multiple drill bits later, I'll be welding this plate onto the shaft, and I'll set it up in the lathe, and I'll make it kind of circular. So one end of the shaft. Never wear gloves when you're working on a lathe or a drill press. You slow this sucker down here too. Running pretty fast for a bigger drill bit. The bigger the drill bit, the slower you go. And that's the story.
sloppy around in there.
Simple as that. You just look at the spindle speed. You can see how the little side lines up. Now we're slower. Perfect. A little drill press is kind of underpowered for this job, but that's what I got. I'm gonna use what you got.
I think we got it.
Little drill press will say, "Thank God I'm done." Come on. I can get this at a different angle for you guys to see what's happening here. Wow, came loose on me. Guess that don't work that way. Well, looks like we're might as well use a jackhammer to make this hole. Okay, we're gonna have to do something else here. Make it more solid. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Hopefully this is gonna do a little nicer job. All right, success. Now we'll set you up for the welding part. All right, we're gonna weld her up. Good enough now. Fix her up later. Now off to the lathe. Alright, here we are set up in the lathe now. Have to give a shout out to my boy Tyler, his friend Coulter. He gave me this tripod so we could actually make some videos that I'm not all shaking around. I guess I was making crappy videos, so he gave me this cool tripod. Okay, we'll see what we can do here, see what kind of mess we can make. No, it's coming. Word to the wise too. Keep your coveralls kind of closed up, otherwise you're gonna get burnt from the chips flying out. That's what's been happening here. It's been just a cruising out here. Looking a little better. This doesn't have to be precision, but I want it to kind of look good. That's not bad there at all. And I'll just check it. I had the other one off, I could show you what they look like. Basically identical. That's the pin now. Good enough. Better than buying one from Volvo. That'd probably be $300 right there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Alright, here's the pin that I made on the left and the original pin from Volvo on the right. I think she'll work.